Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. तो नहीं कहना चाहिए because back वाला scenario नहीं था. I posted randomly a video someday and after that for a very long while I was not here. So I won't be saying welcome back to the channel, but instead of that, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. For those of you who are watching the channel for the first time, I am Akshita, and on this channel you won't be finding much of the videos because I don't post regularly. There's a cycle or there's a graph that shows very ups and downs in it. So when there is a peak, you'll be finding videos more and more, and when there's a downfall, the number of videos gets decreased. But I'm trying to become more regular. And when did I decided this? From today itself, that from today onwards, I'll be trying to post more and more videos on this YouTube channel that goes by my very name, Akshita Dahake. So when I started and I took my phone and this microphone that I'll be shooting the video today, I certainly don't have any topic right with me right now. And previously I have posted videos associated with the English, the ways you can use certain phrases about books or anything that used to interest me. But today it's kind of a difficult situation for me because I don't know what I should post, and I am actually interested in the reading, but to be very honest and to be very frank, I haven't read a book in past 2.5 months, I think, or it could be even more than that. And I think it needs to be sorted out. So right at this moment, I have thought that I have actually decided that this video will continue to go on why I haven't read a book in a past 2.5 months, and still can I call myself a reader, that I haven't read a book. Can I call myself a voracious reader? So let's get started. So everyone, we are all gathered here today to discuss why I haven't read a book in the past 2.5 months, and can I still call myself a voracious reader, or do I actually deserve to call myself a voracious reader? So very first of all, coming to the first part, why I haven't read a book. So like most of us, it wasn't planned. Earlier I used to read a lot of books, almost at least 30 pages. That was something I used to stick on, that I had to read at least 30 pages for any book. So that was something. But here if I am just to make myself clear, when I am referring, I haven't read a book in the past 2.5 months that goes towards the non-academic books. Academic books were still there. I was bound to read them. I was in a way forced to read them. Padhna hi tha. I'm talking about non-academic books here, that I haven't read any non-academic books in the past 2.5 months. So starting off with, certainly it was not planned that in the coming months books nahi padhna hai, I won't be reading the book. It just happened that way. One day, I don't even actually remember when it started. I am guessing that it must have been like something like this for the initial 2-3 days, that one day I haven't read a book, then the next day as well I procrastinated, and the third day as well, and then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and now it's almost 2.5 months or even more than that I haven't read a book, and it's just that way. So do I actually deserve to call myself a voracious reader? Some people might claim that it's been 2.5 months, you haven't read a book, how can you be a reader? At the same time, I have also stopped searching about the different books, the new books that are in the market by the various author, what's going on the Goodreads. I have even stopped visiting Goodreads. I have stopped all the activities associated with the books, and why that happened, I don't even know myself. It's not that I'm reluctant towards the book, I'm not wanting to read it, but it's just, even when I start to read the books, after 1 or 2 pages, I just can't keep my mind on it, and that's how it's just, it gets over. The books did not get finished. And the last book I'm recalling, I started off with was 11 minutes. It was something around September, if I'm guessing it correctly, September. And even the 11 minutes by Paulo Coelho, I haven't completed it. I have read it before, but this time I was reading, and I haven't completed it. The book is still there, the bookmark is still there. I intend to finish it someday, but when the day will come, I am not very sure. And this actually sometimes makes me a little, I'm not getting the right word, but this things that sometimes make me a little nervous, that why I am not any more interested in reading the books. I am not even going through my daily habits of actually keeping a journal of all the books I have read. writing about my favorite characters. To some it might seem a little overboard, but yes, I used to do that. I have written letters, or I have written about some of my favorite characters from the books, and I have had crushes. That happens to many, many towards the fictional characters from the book, but that's not happening anymore, and it kind of feels weird to me as well, that why is this happening. I am trying to get back to reading. I want to read the books, but I cannot bring myself to force myself to just stick a book and start reading with it. I just don't happen to enjoy it reading anymore, and why I think that happens, I don't have a reason, but still I somehow feel that I got drifted. There's a shift that I observed that took place from reading more towards actually increase of the screen time. I was a person with the paperbacks, or I used to prefer the Kindle app version for the ebooks, but apart from all these, I think my screen time for the other devices, actually for the other websites, actually got increased, and that somehow is decreasing my reading time, and I know it is not a very good situation, and I actually need to work on this. Not because I like reading, but in general I know that reading is important for me. So, but the question is, can I still call myself a voracious reader? I don't know. There is no definite answer for that. You people can do that. People can define that you are no longer a voracious reader. You do not have a tag of reader anymore, just because you haven't read a book for that while. But I'd still prefer to say that I'm a reader. Even though I haven't read books in a very long while, but I still somewhere within my heart, deep within my soul, I somewhere still like to read the books. I still like the smell of the very freshly, newly purchased books. I still like to visit to the old bookstores and find the second-hand books and check their pages, whether they are ribbed or they are in a perfectly fine condition, and then purchase them. I still like to increase the number of books in my collection. That is something I am still doing, but it's just the reading part that has been getting a backhand. So I think someday I'll be able to get back to it. I'm trying. I am starting with 1 page a day, or not much, but if I find a story interesting, I hope so that someday I'll be able to continue with it. So I don't think this video was actually very useful or very meaningful, but just to give myself a start, to give myself a push, I decided to just post it randomly. And for you to know, this is recorded in just one shot, and I think there will be just one cut. Apart from that, there won't be any. So this was just recorded in the one shot, so kindly appreciate me for that, because I think for a very introvert person like me, it's a lot to post a video that has been recorded in just a one shot. So I hope you'll appreciate me for that, and even if you don't, so thank you for watching this. I will be definitely uploading more regularly. This time I'm not just bragging, I am little too serious about this. I will be uploading more regularly. So this time you can consider subscribing the channel if you haven't done before, and see you soon. Bye bye.